So today I'm going to make a savory chickpea snack. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 cans of chickpeas into a bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar of your choice. You can use coconut sugar, you can use stevia, you can use normal sugar if you choose. And then you will use 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. I use organic ground cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of that. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to prepare a baking sheet. I just used some spray. And then what you're going to do is just mix this all in like that and get all the chickpeas covered. And then pour onto your baking dish. And then you'll cook it at a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. Here they are spread out on the pan. There will be some sauce on the bottom. And what I do is I try to open up the oven and kind of roll them around in there. Just use a spatula or any type of oven-safe tool to continue to coat them so they do not burn, because I've done a batch before and I like them a little bit extra crispy, but you just got to keep rotating them. So I just took them out of the oven. I did do a lot of rotating. A lot of the sugar will caramelize and want to stick to the bottom because sugar melts in the oven, but wonderful. Yummy, yum. Nice, healthy snack.